Hello and welcome to Science Central.
I'm Jess and this is Daisy.
Today we're going to be discussing the process of photosynthesis.
Now to Janitor Broadley in the greenhouse.
Oh, hello. Thank you, Jess and Daisy. So I would like to talk to you about a very important part of photosynthesis, the chloroplast. So first of all, as you can see, we have the lumen, which is where the chlorophyll is kept. Chlorophyll is very important. And the lumen is kept in the thylakoid, which is kept in grana, which is kept in stroma, and this is all within the chloroplast. It has two outer membranes, and the sun comes down into the chloroplast, into the chlorophyll, and excites electrons. On to you, Lord Ward.
Oh, thank you, Janitor Broadley. And now on to the electron transport chain. And so, the high energy electrons are accepted by the primary electron acceptor. So this pumps the hydrogen atoms through the protein channels into the gamma, which are then synthesized into ATP by the ATP synthase. This makes ATP from ADP and PI. Now, on to Dr. Foster in Gloucester.
Thank you, Lord Wart. And next, the water that the plant has absorbed through its roots is then split into oxygen and hydrogen. The oxygen simply diffuses out of the plant's leaves, and the hydrogen is then picked up by an enzyme called NADP and is taken to the Calvin cycle. And now to Professor Wenby in the forest.
Thank you, Dr. Foster. I'd now like to tell you about the final stage of photosynthesis, the Calvin cycle. This is where the CO2 produced gets into the cycle and attaches to RUBP. This is controlled by the enzyme ribisco, and this eventually forms 3-phosphoglycerate. PG then combines with hydrogen from NADPH, and this forms P3G. This then is regenerated into glucose, which is good for the plants, man. Back to you in the studio.